We're going to chat about something that many of you are familiar with, the rectangular coordinate system and ordered pairs in that coordinate system. Often what people do is they'll start out drawing axes. These are called a rectangular coordinate system. We'll measure how far from this point that we call the origin we are, and we'll measure in a very particular way. So first, we'll measure horizontally, and we'll count off, let's imagine these hash marks count off this direction, and you'll count in the direction of a rectangle. So let's say I want to go 3 to the right, and 4 up. I would go 3 over, 4 up. That would tell me a position, and I would notate that with an ordered pair. In other words, a pair of numbers that are always in order. So 3, 4. The x value always comes before the y value. Now, this is also called, by the way, the Cartesian plane, after Cartan, who's a famous mathematician. So this axis, this is called an axis. It's called the x-axis. Usually we use the variable x to denote something that's moving along that axis. We typically call this the y-axis. And so what you can do is you can locate places on the Cartesian plane. Now this works in the positive direction. It also works in the negative direction. And so let's imagine you wanted to do something like plot the points -2, 5, -3.1, -2.8. You could plot those on a rectangular coordinate plane. You get to pick how far your hash marks are. So I'm not going to be incredibly precise, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the point -2, that's the x value, 5, over 2, up 5, that's the point -2, 5. Now, they don't have to be integers, right? This is a number line, and so -3.1 is also on the number line. It's just past -3. -3.1 might be about there. I move right or left. I move along the horizontal axis first, the x-axis. Then I move down the one direction I didn't put my hash marks, -1, -2, -3. I have to move down 2.8. That's most of the way to 3. And so this could be considered the point -3.1, -2.8.